as we flew across the island, we saw that many of our forests and mountain reserves are stripped and all leaves off the trees are gone. It's flat. The impact is such that roofs are gone, many buildings are flattened, hospitals, schools, police stations, courthouses, commercial infrastructure, all destroyed, in addition to the total destruction of the electricity network and the telecommunications network.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first online Caribbean art show and sale. I'm Cornelius Colin McNab. I'm the founder of Together We Rise Jamaica, also known as TWRJ. And I want to thank you for spending part of your day with us, especially with the Super Bowl coming up later. I know it wasn't the best day for a lot of people, but I know a lot of people are taking time off to hang with friends and family. And we wanted to put on this art show and give you some additional inspiration and beautiful art before the show later. So I promise this will be inspiring. It's meaningful. And honestly, it's something you're going to feel really good about being part of. So let me start with, the whole story behind Together We Rise Jamaica. And it really started with Hurricane Melissa last October. And when the hurricane, tore through Jamaica, 3 months ago, it left more than just damage. It actually left families searching for hope. Homes were destroyed, roofs were gone, communities were shaken. But what really struck me most about the destruction wasn't, the actual damage itself, but it was the resilience of the communities, resilience of the people, resilience of the country. And that's why I created TWRJ. It's really to transform real stories of survival and rebuilding into powerful art and symbols of hope. It's art that inspires, it's art that preserves dignity, and it's art that helps fund recovery and opportunity. Now, every piece that we have on display that you'll see here today carries that spirit. And when you collect one or two or three, you're not just buying art, you're actually helping Jamaica to rise again. And before we dive into the artwork itself, I want to highlight something that makes this collection particularly unique. And these are premium digital art downloads. And yes, they're printable, they're beautiful wall art that you can frame for your home, your office, or your gallery space. But because they're digital, they actually live everywhere. So they're on your TV as a screensaver. They're on your phone or your tablet background. They're on your digital picture frames, anywhere you want daily inspiration. So imagine turning on your TV, before the Super Bowl and seeing resilience staring back at you, or glancing at your phone during a stressful day and remembering, hey, strength survives, hope rises, and I can too. So this art really becomes part of your daily mindset. It's not just decoration. Now, the art. So let's begin with a very personal piece. This one is called The Little Boy Alone. And this artwork is based on my 3-year-old cousin in Jamaica named Maurice. After the hurricane, his family lost their roof, lost pretty much everything. And everything basically changed in a day, And I started a fundraiser the week after the storm to basically help them rebuild their home. And we raised about $17,000, which is incredible generosity. But we're still short of what was needed. So I wanted to find a way to raise additional funds in a different way. And this artwork basically, stemmed from that. It was a portrait. It was actually a picture of Maurice that I saw that became a portrait in my mind. And from that portrait, we created this piece. And this was really, deeply emotional for me. But the whole point was to use this artwork to generate additional funds to get over that 20K mark and, help them get the resources and everything, the materials and everything that they would need to rebuild their home when the time comes. Now, they're still not quite in the rebuilding phase yet because, the country is still struggling with its infrastructure, rebuilding its infrastructure, roads and, power lines, things like, getting, clean running water, things like those that we take for granted. Those are infrastructure needs that they still currently have. So until a lot of that is actually rebuilt and available, it's difficult to, rebuild homes in certain areas at this time. So still struggling with that. But when the time comes, we want to make sure they have the funds that they need to rebuild their home and to, restore their dignity again. So when I look at him, I don't see tragedy. I actually see, in this piece, I see quiet strength. He's small, yes, but he represents resilience. He represents survival. He represents the future, So owning this piece isn't just collecting art. It's actually investing in hope, literally. And honestly, it's one of the most meaningful pieces that we've created so far. Now, naturally, that brings us to what comes next emotionally. This one is called After the Storm. And this piece captures that surreal moment when the wind stops, but life still needs rebuilding. There's exhaustion, everybody's tired, but there's also a sense of possibility and hope. And many collectors connect deeply with this one because it actually reflects life itself. We all face storms. And what defines us isn't the storm, isn't the tragedy, isn't the hurdles that we overcome. It's actually the overcoming and what we build afterwards. It's not about how far you fall. It's about how fast and how high you rise afterwards. And that's what this piece symbolizes. And when rebuilding begins, rarely do we do it alone, right? So that's where this next piece called Family Portrait actually comes in. This piece reflects unity and protection and shared strength after disaster, because after a disaster like this, family becomes everything. It becomes everything emotionally and practically. So collectors often say that this piece feels grounding to them, feels like home. It reminds them of connection, belonging and stability in a way. And it's especially powerful when you display this in your living space, in your living room or, could be in a dining room as well, anywhere that you would basically come together as a family and enjoy quality time. Now this next piece shifts perspective slightly. It's called Lost But Hopeful, and it's about a stray dog surviving the storm. And why do we include this? Basically, it's because resilience isn't just human, right? And we humans survive the storms, but so do our pets. And our pets they become a part of our family as well. So nature fights, life persists, hope shows up in unexpected places. And that's what this is really about. There's vulnerability here, but there's also determination. And many collectors find that deeply moving. That naturally leads to a broader identity piece. This one is called Island Strong. And this artwork celebrates Jamaican resilience. It's all about cultural pride and collective strength. You see a picture of the flag, a big flag still waving after the storm. So it's bold, right? It's uplifting, but it's also affirming. So collectors with Caribbean roots especially connect with this one. Obviously, I'm from the Caribbean. I'm originally from Jamaica. So, this one has special meaning to me whenever I see the flag and the flag's colors. That's something that we decided to highlight throughout our website as well, because this is really focused on helping Jamaica to rebuild. But honestly, anyone who values perseverance really resonates with this one. And now we move into a slightly more reflective emotional space. And this piece called Wonder in the Eye of the Storm it really shifts us emotionally, right? Here you see curiosity instead of fear. Children especially have this remarkable ability, even in chaos, to look around and imagine possibility. And this artwork really celebrates that spirit. It's about resilience without bitterness, strength without losing innocence. And many collectors love this piece for, family spaces, offices, or creative studios, because it really inspires optimism in a way that, most of us have never really seen before in artwork. And, lastly, it reminds us that hope isn't always loud. Sometimes it's just quiet, innocent, childlike curiosity. And from that mindset of optimism, we move into action. This piece is called Lifted from the Wreckage. And it's really about community rebuilding together, hands helping hands, lifting up a child from the wreckage, lifting up others, because recovery isn't solo, it's collective. One person can't do it himself. And honestly, that's what TWRJ is all about. It's not about charity alone. It's about dignity, opportunity, and rebuilding together, collectively. Then comes one of my personal favorites emotionally. This one is called The Smile Returns. And it's really about true recovery not being just structural, but it's also emotional. So when smiles come back, that's when you know that healing has begun. And collectors often say that this piece brings warmth into a space, and that emotional resonance really matters. This next piece captures a powerful moment. It's called Relief from the Sky. It's really about aid arriving, hopefully shortly after the storm. But sometimes it takes a while because you don't have the infrastructure, and you can't bring supplies in as easily into an island as you might be able to elsewhere. So you have to, sometimes fly these things in and drop them. And when aid arrives, that's when, support arrives. So this is really about support appearing when it's most needed. It represents generosity, it represents compassion, and it also represents faith in humanity. And many collectors see themselves in that story, wanting to help, whether it's donating, volunteering, doing what you can to contribute. And I wanted to end the artwork journey here intentionally. This piece is called Marcus Garvey Power. And Marcus Garvey is, a symbol of Jamaican heritage, but also a global icon around the world that really, inspired many people. He represents self-determination, pride, vision, and empowerment. And because rebuilding isn't just physical, it's psychological, it's about confidence, identity, legacy. This piece in particular really speaks to that strength beyond circumstance. So power, legacy, confidence, dignity, those are really all about empowerment. And when you think about Jamaican culture and you think about rebuilding after a storm and coming back together as one, that's really all about empowerment. And so that's why we wanted to have Marcus Garvey as a symbol of that empowerment, not just for Jamaica, but for anyone that this resonates with around the world, anyone who's been through tragedy and wants to feel empowered to rebuild, empowered to start again. That's what this is really about. It's about a powerful way to close this emotional journey. So let's talk value briefly. These pieces today range roughly between $39.99 and $99.99, so less than $100 for this event. And for meaningful, collectible art like this, it's a bargain when you think about it. But we also have, in addition to the digital downloads that you saw today, we have pieces that are available as canvas prints. And some of the pieces that you saw today are also available as canvas prints, many of them without the captions that you saw below the artwork here. But many of the, or actually I should say most of the digital artwork do have captions at the bottom as well. So that's an additional unique feature that you won't see anywhere else. So, the collectible art that we've shown here, you have printable gallery quality versatility, digital daily inspiration, and real humanitarian impact. So that's just exceptional value when you think, less than $40. So we wanted to highlight that today. And we're also offering, a 10% discount for anyone that purchases from the art show. And that's a discount that no one else, will get. So it's just for, it's just really a thank you for anyone that showed up today and that wants to become a part of this journey. And last but not least, I just want to say, this isn't mass decor. It's really art with purpose. It's not just about, something to put up on your wall, but it's something that's going to make you feel a certain way. And it's something that's going to strike conversation with your guests and your family on a daily basis. So if something you saw today really spoke to you, then don't wait. Visit the TWRJ website right now and choose a piece that resonates. Display it proudly, carry it digitally, show it on your TV as a screensaver, and let it inspire you on a daily basis. And you'll actually have the added benefit of knowing that your purchase helped rebuild lives in Jamaica. So once again, together we rise. And I want to thank everybody for being here. And we'll likely have another art show within the next 2 weeks or so. So I hope you'll join us again and invite more friends and family members and others that might benefit from this as well. Thanks again for being here. Have a great day.